People will have you think that just because your bike is lowered, it is completely ruined. So come along with me and I'll show you what this bike can do. Lowered. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dude and dudettes. What a beautiful day. It is 82 degrees. This is the most perfectest day. It feels absolutely amazing. But again, like I said before, I am here to show you that you guys are getting your information from the completely wrong source. And I've been on this kick for years. I was that person on the opposite side, but my eyes literally have been opened through my own experience, bro. People will have you think that just because your bike is lowered, it is completely ruined. And the people that are giving you this advice are people who have zero experience on a lowered bike, or they've lowered a bike and done it completely wrong, so their bike handles like trash. I'm just going to show you I can go have fun with the bike being lowered and it is not ruined. Now, am I trying to be Valentino Rossi out here on the streets? Heck no. But can I have some fun? Oh, yes, I can. And that's what I'm trying to show you guys today. Nothing crazy, but the bike is still agile. It still handles. They will have you thinking the bike literally can't do anything but do straight lines. No, you can have some fun. So come along with me and I'll show you what this bike can do. Lowered 2 1/4 inches. Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Hopefully there's no traffic on this part. Because we're heading over to Brushy, and part of the fun of Brushy is getting to Brushy.
No monkey.
Again, nothing crazy. I'm not trying to set any world records on fire, but can I lean the bike over and have some fun? Heck yeah, we can. We got traffic. I'll jump back in once we get past this. Ah, man, look how beautiful it is out here, bro. This is just peaceful. Now, I'm originally a country boy from Tulsa, Oklahoma, so this is probably why I'm so attached to this stuff, but dude, this is my favorite type of riding to do. Mountains and back roads. Back roads probably more than mountains. It's just a good time. Getting to see everything, smell everything, just be a part. You know, you can tell when the temperature changed. Like you could feel that, bro. It's nothing like riding a motorcycle. Let's get a little pull in real quick. I don't know what that car's gonna do. Oh, they're turning this way. All right. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! Yo! Yo! B! B, you gotta chill, my boy! B! B! Wow! Wow! I don't care what the dragon says, my butt dyno says that is faster. Holy crap! Bro! Hold on, cut this off. Time out! Time out! If you thought I was fast before, my slime! Oh my boy, we done, boy. I don't know what's up with this M4. I don't know what's up with this tune. We did go with a new tuning software, and we now have the M4 exhaust, full titanium exhaust on here. Bro, the bat is hungry. Oh, the bat is liking this new tuning software and the M4 exhaust. B. Opie has been suggesting, yo, Mungus, I think you should try M4 for a minute. Had the situation. Alright, right, now let's try the M4. Let's try what you're saying. My tuner B has also been saying, yo, Mungus, I have a sneaking suspicion we can get you a little more if we switch up your exhaust. As you guys know, I built my bike for me. I did not build my bike for road racing. Now, I have some road racing aspects on the bike, but that's not what I built the bike for. I built the bike for this. Mountains and back roads, hitting curves. That's what I built the bike for. This is a move they've been like, yo, Mungus, you're doing great out there, but I think we can get you a little more if we change the exhaust. Holy moly donut shop.
Say it with me, guys. Holy moly donut shop.
Holy moly donut shop.
Come on, guys.
Bro, I'm telling you right now. I am telling you right now. I've already been saying the stock wheelbase elite. I am now calling myself the stock wheelbase champion. Motorcycle had two wheel. As far as a bike, a full bike, you can do anything with. The only thing I do, pull the strap, go road racing. Pull the strap, top speed pull. Raise the bike to stock height and go to the track. Nothing else changes about this bike. I don't have to change fuel maps. I don't have to do anything else. This bike is the same. Height is the only thing that changes. To have a bike that does this, bro, that's insane. Y'all got down with to get down. I'll chime back in with y'all once we get some draggy numbers. But just that pull right there, I wasn't even strapped. Just that pull right there, bro, game is over, my boy. I'm just shaking my head. B, this is for you. This is for you, B. You need to chill, my boy. I'm telling you, you need to calm down. All right. We finally done made it over here, man. Well, we're not technically at our destination, but it is just a beautiful ride getting over there. And I'm just showing you guys just my normal riding conditions on a bike that is apparently ruined. You know, I think people go a little too extreme and they think, oh, you got a sport bike, it should be racing, you should be Valentino Rossi 100% of the time. Or they think, oh, you got a road race bike, you're at 200 miles per hour all the time. No, well, actually I'm not. This is what I do. This is what my bike was built for, this right here. Now, it just so happens to be good in all those other categories, but this right here, this is what it's built for. Afternoon, autumn days, bro, beautiful. 80 degrees, tires are warmed up. Oh, we about to have some fun today. And this is the thing, most road racers respect the other side of the community, but it doesn't really go both ways. And while I'm stuck behind this truck, I want to take this opportunity to give a shout out to some of my channel sponsors which keep me protected. Gotta give a shout out to 1X USA. This is my, man, this is my leather jacket, my leather gloves I wear when I'm at the pinnacle of my protection. I appreciate them. But also I want to give a shout out to MBT Clothing. I know you're not supposed to mix sponsors, but I gotta give a shout out to MBT Clothing. They pants are now AA rated, and bro, that is a game changer for everyday motorcycle gear. Like, that is a game changer. I look like a normal guy and I have AA rating, my knee pads, I got my hip pads, and my hip pads actually helped me out a lot when I had my incident in Houston. Thank God I was wearing my gear. A lot of the impact was absorbed by my hip pad. I know a lot of people promote stuff, but they don't rock it. I'm literally in MBT something every ride. I love these two companies because they prioritize safety, but they also give you style at the same time. I will be rocking with them, you know, for a long time, my boy. beautiful day out here. And again, this is my bike only being able to do straight lines. Or you know what? This is my bike ruined. This is my bike ruined. And I'll take this all day. Got a car right here. Oh, making sure that wasn't the opposite other line. Been up here in a while, so I got to make sure that I remind myself of what's going on. And also, I'm looking for something could have changed since the last time I've been up here. It could be a new gravel patch, a new piece of ground that came up, something, you know. And it's autumn, so the leaves are starting to fall. So I just want to make sure I'm doing my due diligence and not just blazing it like I know it. I am familiar with it, but it's been a while. Are falling as we speak, so another thing I'm watching for is like a patch of leaves. I don't want a patch of leaves. A few leaves here and there ain't that bad, but a patch of leaves is bad juju. Getting off the bike a little bit, but not much, because I do not want the bike to have to lean too much, just in case I end up in the situation room.
Blue chocolate. Namaki. 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 Thank you for watching, dudes. Namaki.